My name is Miki Sakurai. I went to Echizen Washi no Sato in Fukui last month. So today I will presentation on Japanese paper washi. I will talk about four biomaterials of washi. First, kozo. Second, hen. Third, mitsumata. Fourth, gampi. These materials have unique characteristics. First, features of kozo is a long fiber. There are 20 mm from 15 mm in length. Kozo has a feature another. It is the ease of fiber entanglement because its fiber is soft. Second, hemp has the longest fiber in four. There are 30 mm from 20 mm in length. Fiber is hard and straight, so it is not the ease of fiber entanglement. Third, mitsumata has a flexible fiber and thin. For that matter, it is shiny. It looks delicate and elegant, but it lacks robustness. Fourth, gampi has the fiber are thin and short. Like the mitsumata, it is shiny. Unlike the mitsumata, it is strong. However, growth is very slow. Four biomaterials are compensating each other, disadvantages of each. By blending four materials, washi has responded to a variety of applications. That's why I think washi has survived a long history. Thank you.